Hey everybody, it's Melissa. I'm here with a software review called Business360, and I wanted to welcome you all to my page. If you're new to this page, I do software reviews, content, courses, reviews, certain money-making strategies and things that people are attempting to do from home, and if they work, how they work, and things of that nature. I'm here to guide you on your possible work from anywhere laptop lifestyle income journeys. I've been working from home since 2014 as a blogger, as an Instagram writer, content creator, digital marketer, and have created 2 successful Instagram pages, which I'll put the links below. And then my YouTube channel is less than 2 months old, and it's, doing, I believe, quite well for a beginner. And so if you want to click the bell, like, and subscribe, I'm happy to help you through your income journeys on working from home. Let's get into this. So, Business360. It is a one-click activation, 10-in-1 digital business app that is making people up to $374 daily per customer. When you decide to grab this app, it's lifetime access for web hosting, unlimited cloud storage. You get a funnel builder. You get a ton of AI graphics and web design in the app, AI text-to-speech and language translator, and do-it-for-you agency kit. Let's see here. You also get unlimited commercial license to have your clients pay for, use it for clients, and then 180-day money-back guarantee. When I was saying the do-it-for-you products, videos with the resell rights, 50 plus of those you get. You don't need to have tech skills. It's very beginner friendly, and anybody who's on monthly subscriptions for web hosting and things like cloud storage, text-to-speech apps, copywriting, this would be something that could kind of eliminate all of those monthly fees, and you get this for life. So then they also have on the side here kind of free gifts. The first 150 action takers will get a free membership site plus an agency setup for their digital service, and begin that work from home profit system. So the price does increase. It says every 60 minutes. Right now it's $19. There is a $4 discount, early bird discount. So $15 for this 10-in-1 system set up for you. And then let's go down to, these are $0 for the design, the website design, web hosting, cloud storage, copywriting and graphics, voice over artists and translators, sales video creators, digital products. Everything is just $19. And again, the early bird special, saving you money. Click the link below and it'll take you right to this page to get it for $15 if you attempt to click away. So very good deal. It's very exciting to have something that hones everything in, and you can take away all those monthly subscriptions for sites you are currently getting charged for. So let's kind of scroll down to, this is the software system, and it is the world's first system that gives you everything to automate and run your own internet business, and then generate that passive income. And again, you can get the reseller rights, charge your clients for the same product as your own, and that is such a benefit. So let's see here. So again, you don't have to pay for all of these. domains, which can be very expensive, and cloud storage. And I'm going to hop down to, and again, lots of users just immediately canceled all of their monthly and yearly subscriptions just to grab onto this 10-in-1 software system that took tons of money off the table for them to put into. It was putting out money for all those services, $19, and it is taken care of. You don't have to pay that money any longer. So everything is very simple. 3 steps: log in, access the all-in-one digital solution, and then you are just going to activate it with all your lifetime license and premium services, and then you start to get paid daily profit system to offer your digital services, and you can set up your bank account or PayPal, withdrawing whenever you need. And let's see, here's some of the, you can kind of see it scrolling right here, all the payments that have been made. And then let's see here, let's go down to Shopify, Bluehost. Yes, I've used all these services and still do. I still have a Bluehost. Once you pay for it, you keep it for however long you've paid for it. But yes, this should eliminate things like Bluehost or SiteGround. Okay, let's go down to their very amazing bonuses that are included with the purchase of their software system. And they have an extremely long sales page here. All right, here. No extra, and nice, it's no extra fees or hidden fees. Once you pay, it's lifetime access. Okay, almost there. And you get step-by-step training, live support, everything you need. Okay, here's some bonuses. So once you purchase the software system, the first bonus is a white label license to a software called MailWiz Email Marketing. So what that is, MailWiz is able to handle email marketing for your own purposes and also become an email service provider for your customers, and it integrates easily with payments like PayPal and all the tools to create pricing plans, promotional codes, and to manage your orders and transactions created by your customers. So that is a $697 value alone, and it is included in a $15 purchase of the software system. And then the next software system you get for free for this purchase is free reseller license to Influencer Hub. So what this does, it helps you get unlimited targeted traffic from YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and then high traffic popular blogs in any niche from top influencers. And people, we pay for targeted ads, SEO, several traffic sources just to get the gold mine that is a warm email marketing list. And this here gives you the opportunity to target that kind of traffic and gain those types of warm markets. And then you also have the opportunity to sell Influencer Hub as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. And this is a value of $497, completely included in the price of Business360. Bonus number 3, it's a freelance marketing video course. So when you're working directly with clients, can lead to high income and a lot of personal freedom. This course will work for you whether you just want to start a home-based business or want to build a big digital marketing agency, content agency, or design agency. This is a value of $497, also included with this purchase of $19. All right, bonus number 4 is a lead generation authority. So basically these are qualified leads that are sales ready, which is generally a concern for a majority of marketers today. So this is a training package which will intensify your lead generation process, and you can boost your leads to profits. And this is a value of $147 included in this one-time price. And then I believe this is the last of the bonuses, Auto Spinner Article Rewriter. So this is a WordPress auto spinner. So it rewrites the WordPress posts, converting it to fresh new content by, changing out words, phrases, on autopilot, and it has its built-in synonyms database, or optionally you can use one of the best spinning services APIs. So that's a $99 value, also included in the price. So again, 5 amazing bonuses over, let's see here, thousands of dollars. So the bonuses are over $1,497 alone. And you get everything for free. And it's generally what they are saying, the best work from home opportunity this year. And you can just do this in your spare time. You don't need to work super hard, long hours to get a 6-figure business. So sounds like an amazing software system to begin creating your passive income, make money while you sleep. And again, this is a one-time investment of $19, and the early bird special, if you grab my link today, is $15. I believe it's 6 or 16 here. I think if you go to the website, it'll say like a pop-up, and it'll say like $5 off or $4 off. So those bonuses, and then I've added a few bonuses that are for traffic, content curation, and things that can add value to this particular software system. I've added my own free bonuses worth over $1,000 in addition to this when you purchase from my link in the description below. And if you are loving learning about this type of software and this type of how to make money from home, I'd be happy to continue teaching you and showing you. I also put up tutorials and things that add some helpful tips to how you can seamlessly brand yourself and grow yourself, whether you want to do it as an individual, as a home-based business. However, I'm here to walk you through some very crucial steps in growing that business. Right now, I am going to have you guys click below, check it out, go and see everything yourself. And before the early bird special, though, $16 for this type of 10-in-1 app system that develops everything for you is an amazing deal, an amazing creation, and it can really bolster passive income quickly. So I am going to leave it there for you. I like to keep my videos short, to the point, and let you make your own decisions and grab what's best for your business. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, click the bell button. Happy to have you comment below if you have questions. I'll be happy to answer those for you, and I'll send some more links about my other social media journey that you can check out yourself. And then also, great luck. Have a great income journey, and let me know how it's going for you. Thanks for watching.